Hi there guys and gals, everybody happy. Hi. Good evening. We are here outside of the Bichara Mall. We just finished watching Green Bones and they just finished also giving their reviews for it, and I'll be the one to do my own reviews. But they can still add if they forgetting something, okay? You know what guys and gals, I love the movie but not much. I'm still expecting for more intensity, more thrilling ride, more mind-blowing for them. You're not seeing this. Yeah. Given the fact that Dennis Trio is really a fine actor, a good one, and even Ruru level up his acting, what do you call that? Acting ability. And as far as I know, Green Bones, it's like a mystery murder. But, well, I may not be a spoiler alert, but there's a touch of it about killing. And for me, it's really like not too deep. There are some scenes that it's very predictable, but there are also unpredictable. I'm thinking about the characterization, each one of them, but the director surprised me because I didn't find it how I can figure it out what's they are hiding on their mind, what's they are having on their body language, and even the story, the way the story goes. So I'm glad for the director who made this one, and it's really written and together with the other one. And then there are some, just what I have said, there are some unpredictable scenes, and I didn't notice that the story goes that way. Where are you guys? You're missing the frame. And then I want some what do you call that thing? Hold on, I forgot. I want some oh gosh, can you please help me? Not a mind-blowing, but I want some puzzle in some scenes.